5 tips. These 5 tips will help you to be fluent and confident speaker in the year 2021. My dear friends, if you follow these 5 tips, I'm sure that this year 2021 will be a turning point in your life and make you a better communicator in English. This in turn will help you to crack GDs, to crack interviews, to get good jobs, to get promoted, and to be a good public speaker and presenter. Watch till the end this video. In this video, I have told you 5 most important tips which will help you to be a better communicator. Dear friends, in my video, I don't talk mumbo jumbo. I don't give any shortcuts. I don't give temporary motivation. I give the real psychological reasons how to be a better communicator, how to be a confident speaker. I am using psychology to build a confidence and to build your English. So friends, what you're waiting for? Let's start. If you're first time on this channel, let me tell you about me. My name is Sandeep Patil. I help students to improve their English communication. I help them to be a better communicator, to be a confident speaker, to be emotionally strong, to crack interviews, to help them to overcome their phobia of public speaking, in group discussions also. Everywhere I help my students. So dear friends, let us move forward, and I'm going to give you 5 important tips which will help you to be a better communicator in the year 2021. And these 5 tips are not like improve your vocabulary, read a book, and read study grammar. No, these are different tips. I'll tell you. When you watch the video complete, you will understand what exactly I want to tell you. Okay, so the first tip is, number 1 tip is, which is really number 1 tip, that is your self-discipline. Yes, friends, your self-discipline is the bridge between where you are and where you want to go. In short, where your English is now and where you want to take your English. This is the bridge that is going to connect your English. That's going to connect your dreams and the realities. The reality is you're here, and the dream is you want to go here. As far as your English is concerned, dear friends, self-discipline is the key factor here. You cannot be good in English without self-discipline, without self-control. There is no other way. You have to discipline yourself. Discipline means what? Discipline means do that which you don't like to do, don't feel like doing it. That is self-discipline. And self-discipline becomes stronger. The muscles of self-discipline become stronger and stronger and stronger the more you use them. What I mean to say is, the more you follow self-discipline in small activities, like a simple activity, for example, parking your bike properly, parking your cycle properly, a small activity. This discipline migrates to other aspects of your life. So this will affect your English communication also. Without self-discipline, you cannot achieve anything in life, and that is true in case of English also. Let us go to the second tip now. Well, friends, if you want to be good and confident speaker in English, then you have to change your daily routine, your daily habits. After studying the non-native but fluent speakers, I have found that these people have one common thing. These people have English habits. These people have developed the English habits, and they follow the English habits, the daily routine, for many months and years. And therefore, naturally, their language, their grammar, their fluency, their vocabulary, their pronunciation improves. So in this year, you have to follow English habits. In the year 2020, if your English habits were not there, you cannot change your English in this year. If you want to change your English, first you have to change your habits. And of course, to change your habits, you have to be more self-disciplined, which already I have told you. So guys, okay, so which are the habits? Well, read in the description, I have given some English habits. And I'm going to tell you more about habits, how to develop those English habits. So the second tip was, to be a good communicator, nothing is going to help but your habits. It is rightly said that first you make your habits, then your habits make you. All right, let us jump into the third point, which is equally important. Okay, so as you have developed your habits, but habits are of no use if you do not do them consistently, regularly. Again, the role of self-discipline is very important here, and that's the reason why I have put self-discipline as number 1. If you are following the English habits regularly, again I say, if you don't know what are the English habits, read in my description, you will understand what are the English habits. I have given links of all the videos. If you follow English habits, but if you follow once in a month, twice in a month, no use. Not even once a week. You have to follow them every single day. Great achievers do things, do practice, do repetitions, not once a week, but every day. Every day they do it. Well, I'll tell you a story which will make the point clear. One day, one singer was singing on the stage, and after completing the program, he came down. One of his followers, his admirers, said that, "Oh, sir, you are a great singer. Do you practice?" He said, "Yes, I practice." And he said, "If I don't practice in a week, suppose I miss practice for 1 week, my audience can tell it. If I don't practice for 2 days, my wife can tell the difference. But if I don't practice for 1 day, I can tell the difference." This is the importance of repetition. This is the importance of repeating the habits, staying consistent with the habits. Same thing you have to do with your English habits. You have to be consistent. You have to be regular. There is no other shortcut. Already I have told you on my channel, I don't give any shortcuts. I tell the facts. Guys, come on. Let us go to the 4th point. In this year, one important thing you have to do is to face fluent speakers. Most of the people, what they do is they avoid fluent speakers because they feel like my English is not good. So if I talk to these people, they will laugh at me, they will poke fun at me, and I will lose my confidence and all that stuff. Don't do that. That is a mistake you are doing. This year, face it. Don't run away from it. I have always told that if you face the fear, it goes. But if you run away from the fear, it grows. This year, face the confident speakers. If your boss is a confident speaker, talk to him. If your friend is very fluent in English, talk to him. If any member from your family is fluent and confident, talk to him. Don't avoid them. Yeah, talk to them and tell that I want to communicate in English with you. If I make mistake, pardon me, but I want to talk in English. They will agree. They will accept. So do this. This is the key factor. Don't run, but face these people. Guys, face these people. And then you will see a change in your confidence. Then what will happen is, when you're talking to this fluent person, you will go and talk to another fluent people. Then you will go and talk to more people, and this way your confidence will boost up. Right? So this was the 4th point. Face it. Don't run away from it. And the last and also equally important point I'm going to tell you. Now, as I told you that you are going to talk to fluent speakers. You are going to talk to people who are better than you. Mistakes are going to happen. You will be not able to remember the words. You will stammer. You will use wrong sentences. Your sentence construction will be not right. Don't you worry about it. Make mistakes. No worry about that. Mistakes is a part and parcel of language development. You cannot be a good communicator. You cannot be good in English. You cannot speak correct English without speaking wrong English. And there is nothing to feel guilty about it, because we also make mistakes while speaking your mother tongue. And there is nothing wrong in that. Why you are bringing that same logic for English? English is a language. Don't make it as any art. Don't make it as any status symbol. Just you have to communicate. So in this year, you have to make mistakes. Learn from mistakes. Of course, I'm not saying that speak all wrong English. No, your habits will improve your sentences. Your habits will improve your tenses. But first of all, to communicate, you have to speak. And when you will speak, you will make mistakes. And when you will make mistakes, you have to accept the mistakes. Should not feel guilty about it. Yeah, work on those mistakes. So don't feel guilty about it. It's very normal. Maybe in this video I have committed some grammatical mistake. It doesn't matter. What matters is, do you understand what I say or not? Guys, these are the 5 tips which will help you to be a better communicator, a good speaker in English in the year 2021. But most important thing is, please tell me again in this year which type of videos you want, which topic should I cover. I talk on psychology. I help students to become emotionally tougher. I help my students to develop their English communication, to be a good speaker, good in group discussions, face the interviews. What do you want exactly? Write in the comments and I will make such videos for you. Guys, it was a pleasure talking to you. Follow me on Instagram, on other social media platforms. I'm there. I have many small videos, small tips there that will also help you to be very successful in your life, not only in English but also mentally tougher. Thanks friends, and goodbye.